Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Miran and you are watching Windows 10 tips and troubleshooting video series. This is the fifth video of this series, and in this video we will discuss either we can delete pagefile.sys file in Windows 10. Viewers, what is pagefile.sys file? Files work as a physical extension of RAM, and Windows 10 moves infrequently or least used memory pages from physical RAM to page files or pagefile.sys. When the physical RAM usage is very high, pagefile.sys has another important role. It records information about the Windows status during a crash. The question is, what if I delete the pagefile.sys? Viewers, on computer that you have a large RAM, Windows 10 might not use the page file as the large physical memory might be large enough for all the operations. If you have large RAM like 16 plus GB on your PC and you are sure that programs wouldn't take up all the physical RAM, you can consider deleting pagefile.sys file. In short, more RAM you have, less you need pagefile.sys. And when your physical RAM usage reaches 100%, applications might crash or hang, and you might lose unsaved work at times. Even the Windows operating system might hang as well. So it's best not to touch the pagefile.sys file. Like other system files, you cannot delete the pagefile.sys file directly from the Windows Explorer. However, you can disable the page file feature to delete the pagefile.sys file. That is, disabling the page file feature will be automatically deleting the pagefile.sys file. So viewers, in my next slide I will give you a demo how we can delete or disable. Basically it is disabling, not delete. So we need to go to Windows R and sys dm.cpl, sys dm.cpl. It will open a window, a new window, system properties, that is system properties. You need to switch to the advanced tab by clicking the same, and in the performance section, this is the performance section, click the settings button and click on the settings button. In the again advanced tab, go to the virtual memory section and change this one. Here you can see this option is available, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. These are all the drives showing here, and if you just disable, I click it, it is already selected automatically. If I want this to automatically manage for me, so I should select this option. Otherwise, if I don't want automatically, I want to manage it manually, I need to go uncheck this one, and I need to ask to no page file if I don't want, and system manage size if I want to select. In my case, it was selected about the automatically manage page file size that I am using. So that's why I am not touching this option right now, and it's working fine for me. So that I should go, and if you change something, it will ask you to reboot your computer and restart your computer to effect the changes whatever you have done. Be sure to restart your PC if even you are not asked to do, but it is recommended to keep default settings, that is checked, automatically manage the size for all drives. Like in my case, this is selected, so the default should be selected because this is recommended. So I need to go back. Viewers, you just noted it is asking me to restart. So right now I am recording my lecture, so that's why I restart later. I opted for restart later. So viewers, this is all about the pagefile.sys in Windows 10. If you have learned something new, please share this video with your friends, and feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.